Local 6th, 7th, and 8th graders braved Florida's unruly weather to spend their summers studying science at the ExxonMobil Bernard Harris Science Camp. The goal of the 2-week camp was to encourage students to pursue math and science careers and show them that science can be fun. Many of the students are women or minorities, two groups that are underrepresented in science. Students learned about buoyancy during an activity called Raft Rally. First, students were given 2 pieces of aluminum foil and 4 straws and asked to build a raft.
5, 6.
The raft that holds the greatest amount of pennies will be considered the winning raft, okay?
Then, students were given time to plan and construct their rafts as a team. All of the students watched as each team took a turn testing their rafts.
100. 101.
The winning team impressed their peers by building a raft sturdy enough to hold 103 pennies. 7th grader Jose Lebo placed the pennies on the winning team's raft.
We were thinking of how density would work, so we made a square. We basically made a square by putting the straws together. Then we put the aluminum foil over the straws, because if we would have put it on top of, not over the straws, we thought it would sink quicker.
Nancy Fries Fountain, a representative from the Harris camp, was in attendance for the special event.
I think that one of the reasons that middle schoolers and high schoolers sometimes avoid sciences is that they just haven't had the opportunity early on to be exposed at how much fun and how exciting it can be. So here at the camp, the children are exposed to professionals in the STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math professionals. They're able to envision a career in the sciences. So removing some of the early barriers to science and math will ensure that some of these students will in fact go on, and it really has to do with opportunity. It's been known that girls get discouraged about science in middle school, and so for them to really realize that this isn't really necessarily a career choice in science. Science is part of our everyday life. And this is important to keep studying math and science, because any career will have math and science components, and it's part of our future.
Students walked away from the camp with big dreams and the desire for even bigger futures. Most importantly, they were assured that science can in fact be fun. This is Courtney Gilmartin for UCF Reports.